What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to 23rd Garage. Today we are back on the M3. I actually got the headlight to work, so I've already buttoned up the front bumper and everything, but we need to run down to the tire shop and get our tires mounted onto our rims. And then also we've got a couple of little things like some wires and some small stuff to do. And you know what else I forgot about, Nate?
What's that?
The SRS cable for the battery.
Oh yeah, we gotta install that
real quick. Yeah. So let's get right into it. Before we get these wheels on, I want to go ahead and button up these fender liners. So what I need to do is run down to CarQuest and get some clips right here. These are some very proprietary clips here, and it's funny because when you take these off, you can actually save them by pushing the center in and then catching it when it falls on the other side, but I didn't do that. So you're gonna have to buy some clips there. So we need 6 on this side, and then we need a few of these, but I think I have a few of these laying around, and there's a lot from the car as well. So and Nate has some too, yeah, Nate?
Yeah, we got a few of them.
All right,
laying
so
around.
we just need to get these tiny ones, and then that's it. Hey, Tim.
All right, good deal. Well, I appreciate it.
Hey, Sean. That's kind of like what they look like, but tiny. Even these right here would work. Oh, these might. They're a little bit different style, but they will work.
Yeah.
They actually look better because they don't have a hole in the center of them.
No.
Sarah, here, let that go up.
Thank you, man.
Y'all have a good one.
See you.
Got Eclipse, mate. All right, so Paul just called me and said that the tire shop guys are ready for us. So instead of going back to the shop, we'll just meet him over there, and hopefully we can get these tires put on with no issues.
You know, if you don't open the...
What do you think, Nick? Yeah, I really like the fit of these tires. And they're on the way. It does. Alright, so I got the plug all connected and the codes have been cleared and they're not coming back, and I did a data stream test on the ride height sensors and everything checks out, so we're good on that. We've already got the wheels installed, and Dad already got me some of his Bondo dust all over him. A nice little coating, look at that. That'll be okay, we'll clean it off. I'm still waiting on the center caps. They should be here tomorrow. And also I went ahead and ordered some new lug studs or lug bolts, whatever the heck they are called, because I am running spacers in the front and I am missing a set of the long lug nuts. So right now it's just sitting on 2, which it'll be fine for now. We're not going anywhere with it, but I ordered a set just like this right here, so they should be in next week and we'll get them put on. But yeah, we've got all the fender liners buttoned up, and if not for these lug nuts, we'd basically be ready to, you know, take a little test drive. But I only have 3 on each side, so I don't really want to go down the road with it. So let's go ahead and put on that SRS module.
Oh yeah, that's the last thing, right? The battery cable?
Yeah. All right, here we have our brand new cable.
What do you need that for?
This, on BMWs, as you can see, there is a SRS plug here. And as soon as the airbags deploy on any BMW, what happens is a small, man, this trunk is nasty. A small explosive device gets set off right here and basically just disconnects the battery from the car. And so anytime you want to rebuild a BMW, you have to replace this as well. So we need to pull the battery out and take this thing loose and replace it. It looks right. We really want to drive this thing. Look at that.
Hey, I need the help.
What's up?
I need to check engine my computer.
On what? On this car?
Yeah.
BMW. We're the BMW gurus. Computer's about to die. We got to make this quick. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see that? Dad, oxygen sensor after catalytic converter heating activation is open circuit. It's either unplugged or wires cut. And then fuel tank ventilation system second inlet point malfunction. All right, we're going to clear it real quick and then see which ones come back. The hard codes will come back. See what came back. Just one.
What code came back?
So that's oxygen sensor code.
So that sensor is probably bad, yeah?
Yeah, sensor needs to be replaced. We need to replace that sensor and then drive the car.
Yeah, because if it's an open circuit on a heater, that means the heater just went out.
Most likely.
So the car will still run fine. It just won't heat up the O2 sensor.
You need to put the sensor on that. It's in limp mode.
Yeah, it's not driving right, dude.